What's the best of having a perfect skin? Most people always have this question with themselves: how am I going to have a perfect skin? How do I have a perfect skin on a low budget? Tomato is a low budget perfect skin. It's going to help you achieve the skin you want to achieve using one thing, the tomato. Because tomato is not expensive, you can find it anywhere. You're not going to waste money on expensive products to perfect your skin. These little things, these things we have in our kitchen helps us to have a perfect skin, and most people don't know that. We love expensive products, we love expensive creams, we love expensive for over nothing that are going to bring for us things on our faces like acne, like pimples, because we are mixing a lot of things on our skin to have a perfect skin. We just have simple things at home to use on our skin. So today I've come with one of the big thing. It's always the big thing. To me, it's always the big thing, because the way you see my skin, I've been always using those big things, using those natural remedies on my skin to have a perfect skin. Yes, to me it's a perfect skin because it's glowing, it's bright, it looks good, it's wrinkle free, it's acne free, it's pimple free. So just the best products for my skin, because those are natural remedies I use on my skin. So we are using a tomato. Tomato is very good. We have grated our tomato the way you've seen it there. I've been grating it. After grating it, we are going to use sugar. Sugar exfoliates skin. In case you want to exfoliate your skin, use sugar and exfoliate skins. It removes dead skin cells on our skin. It brightens our skins. So it moisturizes our skin. Whenever you exfoliate your skin, it instills that moisture in it. So we are going to mix it with our grated tomato. Then after that, we mix it with sugar. Then after that, we mix it with our orange. I love orange so much because it produces collagen. It produces collagen. It protects your skin from sun. So in case you want to have a good skin, by the way, you can make orange serum. One day, if you comment there, like you want to learn how to make an orange serum, comment in the comment section below, and I'll teach you how to make orange serum for your skin. So we mix them together, and after that we come up with a pack, the best pack for our skin. So you guys, have you seen how my skin is? My skin is so glowing. My skin is so looking good. My skin is looking nice. My skin is more. So apply it on our skin. Actually, as I said, as in my videos, I always tell you, first wash your skin. It becomes clean, because when you wash it off, you'll be removing dust on your skin before that natural remedy penetrates deep into your skin. So apply it on your skin. After washing off all that, you apply it on your skin 3 times a week, maximum 3 times a week. Every natural remedy, apply it three times a week, or for a week, 3 times a week. Leave it like for 30 minutes. Leave it like for 1 hour on your skin and wash it off. And repeat that constantly for 3 good days in a week. You can either be applying it like night or daytime, or you can be applying it nighttime, depending how you want it to be applied on your skin, because sometimes people don't have time. So you can apply and wash it off, and here the end result is you are pimple free. It exfoliates your skin. Your skin looks beautiful, your skin looks pretty, your skin looks so clean. It cleanses your skin, it removes dirt from your skin. You can have a good skin. So if this remedy doesn't work for you, something else will work for you. As I said, we have different skin types, and we have different skin products that work for our different skin. So thank you so much for watching. I love you all. See you in the next video. Bye. See you in the next video.